Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST Kevlar Tech Pro denim riding jeans. Okay, the all-new Kevlar Denim Tech Pro riding jeans from RST retail for $229.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update for pricing changes only when products are redesigned completely. I was just informed earlier by Max that the price of riding jeans has soared.
300 plus,
Yeah,
man.
we reviewed another pair from RST that's, not as high-end as these. And he told me that in Alpine Stars, those would have been $300.
300 bucks.
Right.
Right in your face.
And these, at $229, right, have way more features and benefits than the $300 ones.
For sure.
Let's begin with sizing.
Sizing, I am 5'11", 170 pounds with like a 29-inch waist, and I am wearing a 30. And of course, it's tight. These ones are like not a tapered fit, that's what it says on the piece of paper, but I will say, they feel just as snug as the last ones I was wearing. And those
You have really big quads.
Those were a tapered fit. But yeah, I mean, these...
Yeah, your quads are huge.
Quads are big, but...
Right? But the fact that they still fit you,
fit
this
great.
is the size you would wear. You wouldn't go up to a 32.
You would not go up to a 32.
And
no.
you have well above average quads, so
Where'd I get those genetics from?
Not me, because these are not well above average. So, you always got to give your dad a hard time. I love that.
Yeah, I love it.
These are also available in different lengths. At 5'11", Max is wearing the standard length. You can clearly see with his horrible shoes. Those shoes are garbage.
Yes, they're garbage.
Right, and they look stupid.
And they look stupid with these pants,
The
too.
length is perfect, right? So for most people that are going to be, say, like, 5'6", up to 6 feet-ish, standard length is perfect. The long length adds about an inch. Short length subtracts around an inch. Yep. That's going to be like north of 6'1" for tall, 5'5" and under or whatever for short. These pants are really protective, super protective, and they've done a lot to make them more comfortable as well.
Yeah.
Full Cordura denim chassis. The aramid fibers are in there with the Cordura denim. That's where the abrasion resistance comes from. There's a full liner on the inside of the pants to keep them comfortable. Did they succeed with that?
They definitely succeeded with that. And another thing that I hate about jeans, and I haven't worn jeans since like 4th grade. Like I said, that another.
Are you gonna say feel like a cowboy again?
I feel like a cowboy. Yeah, I just gotta get the pockets. But usually when you're crouched like this, you're gonna feel the pinching on the back of your leg, and that's very uncomfortable. And
we must have bought you some really bad jeans when you were in 4th grade.
And these don't have that. I don't know, dude. Kohl's, man. I don't know.
Kohl's. Motion panel in the knee.
Yeah.
Right.
Awesome.
We have CE armor in the knee and shin, fully adjustable. We'll show you that in the second part of this video. CE armor in the hips. I believe both those pieces are level 2. We'll verify that in the second part of this video.
Yep.
Now turn around. There is a motion panel, and these are kind of high-waisted in the back. Like, see how high up that's riding? That is purposeful to give you more coverage in that area. This motion panel right here, especially when you have a belt on, right? You go to get into an aggressive riding position, this panel will open up, right? And you're going to maintain coverage, right, of the small of your back up there. Very clean styling. Super comfortable, and it's important to note all the denim products flow air freely, right? That's one of the great things about riding with these as compared to a pair of textile pants or a pair of leather pants. You can get protection while having style and much more comfort than you would with the other two options.
Yeah.
You get to your destination with these too, like, you're gonna walk, it looks good, man.
Dude, man, I'd run a marathon in these things, straight up.
Are they that comfortable?
They're that comfortable. They may be a little hot, if I'm being quite honest, but they're that comfortable. Yeah.
Well, you're adding layers. You have the armament stuff, you have the armor,
yeah.
right?
In a marathon, they'll be hot. Let's just be
In a marathon, they would be hot. Just standing there, you should be fine.
Yeah.
And of course, when you get moving on the bike, you're going to get nothing but airflow. They're going to feel great. Tons of protection. That is the theme here. The two that we're offering right now from RST, it's going to be the tapered fit reinforced jeans, or
the full-blown Mac Daddy.
Full-blown Mac Daddy, and the spread in price is about $55.
Yep, that's it.
Right? And you're picking up quite a bit more protection with
The 55.
the higher end pair.
Yeah.
If you like what you see so far and you want more information, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to get these pants off Max, turn them inside out, and give you a really close look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The RST Kevlar Tech Pro denim jeans from the inside out. They come with removable and adjustable CE Level 2 armor in the knee and shin, and Level 2 armor that can be removed if you prefer for it not to be there in the hip. The shell of the jeans themselves are constructed using heavy-duty Cordura denim that is reinforced with aramid fibers, right? There's a complete mesh liner inside, so the material is going to be comfortable against your skin. Like we showed you earlier in the video, right? The styling is very clean. These are a little in the back, right? The waist rides up a little in the back to keep you covered in that area. If you're in a more aggressive riding position, you're going to have that Cordura denim covering that area, right, in case you have it off. Belt loops, motion panel here, that helps make them more comfortable when you get into that riding position on a sport bike. Motion panel here in the knee. And beyond that, I mean, these things at the end of the day really look pretty much like a standard jean. Standard pockets, button fly, standard zip. Give you a little look from the inside out. We can show you the adjustment system for the knee armor. Here is the pocket for the hip armor, right? This mesh liner is super comfortable against the skin. You can see how many times they've reinforced the stitching. Super robust. Your knee and shin armor goes in this pocket right here. And you can see these Velcro patches. If you want the armor to ride higher, you would slide the armor in. Make sure you undo all the patches up there at the top. Slide your armor in to the top of the pocket, and then you would fasten all three of the Velcro patches here at the bottom. And what this is going to do, it's going to hold the armor in that uppermost position. You could lower it one level to here or 2 levels to here. These jeans are available in different lengths. The length that we're showing you here today with Max is your standard length. You've got short and you've got long. I think the additional length is in the neighborhood of an inch. These are being billed as, and we've sold these before, versions very similar to this, as the most technically advanced, most protective riding jeans on the market. I would agree with that statement. The armor complement is strong. The materials that are being used in this are the best that you're going to get for this type of pant. This is a great alternative for riders who want to have that lower body protection, but don't want to ride around in an overpant, which just creates more heat. You know, you don't want to go somewhere in textile pants because when you get to your destination and you're walking around, they just don't look or feel great. These can go from a sport bike to a Harley, to a touring bike, whatever. Good, clean styling, tons of protection. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.